Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm about to show you this do-it-yourself bob braided wig. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, I'm using X-pression hair and I'm using 3 packs of this X-pression hair in color number 1, guys. I'm using this fishnet wig cap that comes in the wigs. You know, I had this from one of the wigs. And I'm using this crochet needle that I got from Amazon. I got 3 of this that come in a pack. I'll put the link in the description below. I'm taking one of the packs and cutting it into 3. I told you guys I'm using 3 of the packs. And so together I have like 9 pieces, okay? And then I'm just stretching the hair out and then brushing it with my brush, you know, just to make sure it's nice and detangled. And I'm just taking the pieces out. I'll be using like a medium-sized piece with the crochet needle. I'm just going to go in the wig net. So I'm going into 3 of the holes and using this as one of the strands, guys. So when I go in, I'm just going to loop the hair around my finger a little bit and then, you know, put it on the crochet needle and then pull it out. When I pull it out, I'm just going to pull the other side. So I'm not tying nothing, guys. Just pull it straight out and then you're going to section the hair into 3. So 3 equal parts. So we're not adding any more hair. So this is more like you're braiding your hair down. And I didn't want to do like I didn't want to do it in a complicated way, like, you know, adding a little bit of hair and then starting like getting another piece and all that. So I just decided I was just going to loop it in. So that way, you know, it's easier to follow and very, very easy and fast, girl. If anybody is going to be asking if this net is going to be secure enough for this wig, yes, it is. I'm actually putting the hair in again, you know, that's the second one. So I'm just going to show you guys again, like loop it around my finger, you know, and then that way it's easier for it to go on the crochet needle and then pull it out. Just one side, just pull one side out. Just make sure you're having enough space in between the braids, guys, because you don't want to be too close. When you're too close, it might break. So just make sure you have like 2 or 3 holes in between each braid, guys. Okay? Or even 4. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's going to cover up, so don't worry about it. If you want, you can add hair, you know, the whole head, and then you can start your braiding. But I just wanted to show you guys how it's coming out. But otherwise, I'll just like add, you know, the whole head, like crochet it first and then, you know, put them up as I'm doing right there and then braid it all the way down. Because that's faster, you know. But this style, guys, took me 6 hours to complete. I was determined to complete it. Yes, girl, I was like, sis, I'm gonna do this because I'm gonna have this wig forever. You can do so much with this wig cap. Like, you can do a lot of styles. I mean, you don't have to break the bank, girl. You don't have to. Like, seriously, it's very easy, very affordable. I just bought like that's like $15 of the hair because it's $5.99 a pack for the X-pression hair, and I used 3 packs because I wanted it full. But otherwise, you can use like 2 packs. It's okay. You can use 2 packs, and you don't have to have it as full as mine. That's fine too. But I love my hair full. I just like it when it looks like it's real. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you guys are like, Tupo, I never see you wearing braids before. Yes, girl, I never wear braids. Why? Because I used to wear braids all the time when I was a little girl, and it took me forever to take them down. So I'm always like on the fence, but I love braids. add some more hair, guys, you know, and then I'll continue with the same process. Okay, sis. Please forgive the mannequin. It's seen better days, but sis is working, okay? It's like good makeup and everything. My daughter uses it. Oh my gosh. Like she plays with it all the time, and I place my wigs over there. So sis, I was just like, let me grab this and go. Forgive me, but that's okay. It's still working. So sis. I'm just adding hair everywhere, okay guys? So, and then I'm just gonna start braiding again, just to show you guys the front, how I'm doing it, you know, just separating the hair into 3 equal parts and start braiding down. That's about it. Very easy. It's just like braiding your own hair. Nothing serious, nothing fancy. The back I was actually you know, braiding it longer, and then the front I was just braiding it a little bit, and then you know, you don't have to tie a knot or anything, guys, because you can just braid like further, a little bit further than what you really want the size to be. And then I'm gonna show you how to burn the ends. I feel like this is the only time that I burn my hair, guys. Like I burn the ends, and you see how cute it's looking already before I even complete it. And then when you come to the middle, just make sure you add enough hair on the top, that way it covers, guys. Don't worry too much about the top part right there. Just make sure you're crocheting it close enough. Oh my gosh, can you see how it's coming out already? I am super duper excited about this wig. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. 2020, we are doing it big, right? See how I added like hair on the middle right there, and it's not gonna show. Like when you put it on, you have your hair underneath, nothing's gonna show. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Went ahead and used this lighter, so I'm just gonna measure the hair right there and measure the length that I want it to be. So I didn't cut nothing, right? I just made sure I braided a little bit longer, and then I'll just, you know, burn the hair right there. Just be careful, guys, because you can burn yourself. I'm holding a little bit of water and then just coming with my fingers, just, you know, rubbing them together just to make sure it's nice and sealed. And that's about it. And then I just take my scissors and measure it again and just make sure it's the right size, guys. this wig came all the way through. My 6 hours was all worth it. Okay. And then the bottom part as well, you're just gonna measure it and then use the lighter. As I said, guys, be very careful. You want to use like a little water in your hands just to make sure you're not, you know, burning your hands or anything. And just let it cool down a little bit before you hold it as well. And then I'm just using my mousse, you know, just to make sure all the flyaways are nice and laid. Okay, just the regular mousse that I got from the beauty supply. And that's about it. I did not try it on. I told myself I'm going to try it on when it is done and I'm ready to rock it. Okay, so this is my first time trying it and I am super duper excited. Voila! Yes, to a bob wig, honey. Oh my gosh, girl, I am feeling it. Are you guys feeling it? Let me know. See how full it is. Oh my gosh, this wig is giving me life. And I told you guys the top part is not gonna show. Look how it looks. It looks so natural. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I am in love, guys. And you know I can be there accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. I added these beads that I got from my local beauty supply. And I just wanted to add a little oomph to this style, guys. Okay. Baby, 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 baby. Okay, sister. You got yourself a bob wig. Okay, sis. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.